Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to export bookmarks from Google Chrome on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, it's important to know one thing. On an iPhone, Google Chrome does not allow you to directly export bookmarks as a file like it does on computer. But don't worry, there is an easy and safe way to export your bookmarks by syncing them to your Google account and then exporting them from another device. Let's start it. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings. At the top, make sure you are signed in to your Google account. If you are not signed in, tap Sign in and log. Once signed in, tap on Sync. Turn Sync on and make sure Bookmarks is enabled. This uploads your bookmarks to your Google account. Now your bookmarks are safely saved online. Next, to export them on a computer or laptop, open Google Chrome and sign in with the same account. Click the three dot in the top right corner, go to Bookmarks and then select Bookmark Manager. In Bookmark Manager, click the three dot, then choose Exports Bookmarks. Choose where to save the file. Bookmarks will save as an HTML file which can backup or import into another device, and that's it. You have successfully exported your Google Chrome bookmarks from your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.